Chapter 17, question 71. This is a calculation question. Now you know that formation of ester from carboxylic acid and alcohol um, is actually an equilibrium. It won't go to completion. Okay, so this question is asking you to find what is the percentage of yield of the ester in this reaction. So let us find the 100% percentage yield first. That means we assume that this reaction goes to completion. Okay, 100% of the ethanol in ethanoic acid will turn into ester. Then after that, okay, they give us actually only 22 gram of ethyl ethanoate are obtained. Then we calculate what's the percentage. Okay, so now let's start. We first find the number of mole of ethanol. Okay, by using the formula mass over mr. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, which is 30 gram. Okay, now let's divide by the mr of ethanol. Okay, 2 carbon, 12.0 times 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogen, 1.0 times 6, okay, plus 1 oxygen, 16. Okay. Okay, after using my calculator, I found that the number of mole of ethanol used is 0.652. Okay, next we will find the number of mole of ethanoic acid. Right, same method. Okay, they also use 30 gram. Okay, so that means there must be one of them that will be the limiting reagent. Okay, 12.0 also 2 carbon. How many hydrogen? 3, 4. 4 hydrogen this time. And carboxylic acid has 2 oxygen. Okay. Okay, 0.5 mole. Now, by looking at the equation, 1 mole of ethanol will react with 1 mole of ethanoic acid to form 1 mole of ester. So, if I'm using 0.5 mole of ethanoic acid, I only need 0.5 mole of ethanol. So, ethanol is in excess. And, okay, and ethanoic acid is the limiting reagent. So we are using the number of mole of ethanoic acid to find the number of mole of ethyl ethanoate that will be formed, which is the same as the number of mole of ethanoic acid. Okay, so if all okay all the alcohol and ethanoic acid they react completely with each other, we are supposed to get 0.5 mole of ethyl ethanoate. Okay. Now, let us find what is the mass of 0.5 mole of ethyl ethanoate? Okay, so it would be 0.5 multiplied by the mR of ethyl ethanoate. Okay, now we have 4 carbons. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. Okay, okay. Supposed to get 44 gram if, okay, the reaction is complete. But actually, in the experiment, okay, in the actual reaction, okay, they only get 22 gram. So what is the yield? Okay, the yield of this ester will be 22 divided by 44, okay, times 100%. Okay, so obviously it is 50%. Therefore, the answer to this question will be C.